Hi, to edit photos on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we will need to open Gallery on our phone and select photo we want to edit. For example, I'm gonna choose this picture of this plant behind my phone. And now to edit it, we will need to tap this pen icon on the bottom, and now we can do magic to this plant. So, first thing we can do is we can rotate it. So we can straighten it like that. Here on the bottom you can see degrees, and you can move the slider left or right. You can flip it if you tap this square icon in the middle like that. You can flip it like this as well, which is good for photos with faces. And you can also adjust it horizontally like that, and also vertically. This one is cool for like photos of people in a full size, so with the help of these vertical adjustments you can make your legs longer, and this is like a little life hack for you guys. And now the next thing is filters, of course. So here we got plenty of filters. Just scroll through them like that, and if you liked any filter, let's say I like this soft one, but I don't want it to be so intense, I can just drag the slider just under this filter and make it not so noticeable. And also we got here some adjustments like light balance, brightness, exposure, so you can drag the sliders and check the difference. We got here contrast, of course, so we can make it not so contrast. We got highlights, so you can just dim the white colors here, and the same with shadows. Here we can add some saturation to this picture. We can add this pink tint or blue tint, and we can also increase temperature, make the picture warmer, or decrease, make it cooler. We can add some sharpness to the pic, and also we can adjust the definition like that. You can tap on auto and it would automatically adjust the picture, or you can do it manually just like I did right now. And next thing is drawing. So you can draw on your photo. You can just use any pen you want. Here, just switch through them like that. You can add some stickers here. For example, this one, of course, you can resize them, you can flip it, you can copy the sticker, you can do whatever you want to the sticker. So we can just go back in draw, and let me delete my awful heart. Yep, now it's better. And go in text. So here, if you wish, you can add some text. You can change its font style, font color as well. Let's find something green, for example this one. And of course, you can just make it bigger or smaller like that. And let's check whether we can use emojis or not. Yep, we can. So let's just save those changes, and of course we can put this text whenever we want on the picture. We can make it bigger, we can flip it, just do whatever you want. Let's leave it that way, or put it in the middle of the blend of my circle. Yep, great. And the last thing is we can erase some objects on the picture, for example. So you can tap or draw around anything you want to erase. Let's say we want to erase this part on the back, and let's tap erase. But it didn't cover all of the objects, so not so good. Let's try this out one more time and erase. Yep, it's working. So let's go next, which is lasso. My phone was lagging, so I had to discard the changes we made, and now the picture looks basic, but we can go on. So we got here this lasso, we got snap to shape, select manually, or deselect. So we can tap or draw around anything you want to keep in the picture. Let's draw around the plant, and object is selected. Let's tap on it. Here we got like that. We can select any shape and go next, and it erased our background. So we can also select different color for the background and so on. Now let's go back and choose this spot color. So you can tap anything you want to show in color. Let's tap on the table like this. And now you can see that my picture is black and white. We can also use the eraser and erase everything out. So let's go back and check color mix. So here, let's choose this red color. We can also drag this slider like that, and you can see the changes on the screen. We can use saturation. Just check here, we can see the changes, right? We can tap on purple and do the same thing. So it basically adds some colors to the pic, or reverse, just take back colors. And the last thing is style. So here we got different styles. You can also just change its intensity by dragging the slider. I like the comic one, so let's leave it that way. And tap down button to save all of the changes. Now tap the save button. Let's save it. And this is the result. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.